everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and flamingos! Aren't these absolutely adorable? And I love the packaging. Thank you so much. This is from Pentastic Painters, and I have been trying to get over to their site for a while, and I have just been delaying. And so I apologize, but now I have the goods, and I'm diving in. I love the uniqueness of their pens, and I know I have a ton of pens. I'm gonna do a pen stash. I really need to. I'm trying to, excuse me, figure out, should I, you guys comment down below, should I do like categories where I do a whole video and parts of the video are different categories, like acrylic and clay and, you know, handmade and wood, or should I put them all in a bag and pull one out at a time and we just kind of have fun with the surprise? You tell me down below what you want to see and how you like the pen stash video, because ever since my stash video last year, I've had a whole bunch of more pens. And so I want to, oh, it feels heavy. Oh, there's more candy. More candy. Oh, I got a diamond. So excited. It's the little things. Okay, so this is Mamba Orange. They're fruit chews. We got some Starburst. Oh, some little candy. And that's so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's a card. I love all the little extra. Oh, 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 diamonds, diamonds. So they just have, you can have your favorite colors at no extra cost. They just released their spring summer pens, and they're going to be gone in a flash. Check back often. Brenda and is it Krista? I'm sorry. And okay. So I gotta pick up these diamonds. Just a second. I thought it might be. Okay, guys, if I don't come back, I'm stuck under my craft table. That's so cute. So cute. I think I'm going to have it with the mama diamond. Like, what do you think? Like mama and their little babies. It's like little duckies. They're going to go on a journey. Okay. I digress. Let's get over there. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Now, one of these should be a pen that I drooled over because Brandy had it. And I'm like, I need that pen. And the other ones I looked at right away and they were sold out. One of them was sold out. And I was like, I've got to have both of them. So I contacted them and I said, do you have any of the canes left? Because these clay pens, let me show you one. This is one my friend Crashly made. And these are clay pens. It's not Pentastic, but what they put in the clay pen is on a cane. It's like a little tube that they've developed and made, and that's the design. And then they stick it on the pen. And then when these pens sell out, they may have some cane left. They may be able to make another pen. And so don't hesitate to contact these wonderful Etsy stores and say, look, I see that it's sold out, but I love the colors. I love what you've got going on here. Is there a chance that you could make another one for me? Because sometimes they can, and I got lucky. This time they're like, oh, we do have a little bit of cane left, and so if you buy it right this minute, you know, they can't hold it. They're like, if you buy it right this minute, we'll make it for you. And that's what I did. So do not hesitate to reach out. Guys, they even put a turtle. Okay, so this should clue you in. It says thank you, and then it's got this beautiful, and look, it's baby turtles. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at the extra thing they did. Okay, so this should clue you in. Thank you so much. these are the two I got. And you guys gotta go back to the turtle story. Look at the turtle. Aren't those adorable? Look at the little turtles. So I had to get this. I just had to. And they asked me what placer I wanted on it, and they had a couple 4-placers left. So I said 4-placer. I can't wait. I have a turtle diamond painting, and now I can use my turtle pen for the diamond painting. And that's why I like having some extras, because then you could use like your turtle cover minder, you could use your turtle pen, you could just have a lot of fun with it. And, you know, but guys, is this not breathtaking? Look at the detail they had to go through to make this. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So then this is the one that was sold out. And so I asked them if they had more that they could make, and they did. This one is a pink turtle pen, and I just thought it was beautiful as well. Now the green and the blue have my favorite colors in it, but I needed this because it has turtles. And again, check out my turtle story about diabetic turtles. Crazy. Okay, so those are two of the pens. Their pens average about $16 a piece, which is not bad for the guys. Look, you get this and you get this, and they send candy and they send a personal card. It's just great. It's just great. Okay, so then this is the one I got because Brandy had it, and I'm like, oh, I need it. I need it. And so, look, this should tell you what the theme is. They do such an amazing job. There is a dragon charm. Look at this little dragon claw. And then this is just beautiful. They get the colors in there. Absolutely gorgeous. I take them off right away because otherwise I forget that they're on here. And then I put them in a drawer and I can't enjoy them. So I'm going to put that right there so we can enjoy it. Just the artistry, guys. Thank you so, so much. Okay. So here it is. It's a dragon pen. Look at that cute little dragon. It's adorable. And they told me when I emailed them, I was like, look, Brandy has this pen. I've been waiting for this pen, and I haven't seen it show up on your shop. And they go, oh, well, we only have enough cane for one more pen. You got to buy it now. And I was like, okay, I'm buying it. I'm buying it right now. And I'm not sure if these are stickers or the cane. I don't care. It's so adorable. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the purple and black. I'm going to have so much fun using these. So it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's breathtaking. Thank you so, so much for all that you put into this. I really, really appreciate it. So go check out Pentastic Painters over on Etsy. The link is down below. Also, at the end of this video is a little link to go check out my diabetic turtle story to go with the pen. And if you want to, you know, listen to Brandy and I through our collab that we had, we tell funny stories. It's okay. It's like a whip and chat with the live. Go check that out as well. So I love you guys all. I hope you come back and see what else I explore in the diamond painting and crafting community. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.